Hi, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I'm coming to you today to show you how I'm going to make a whipping cream pound cake. Now, I've already sifted 3 cups of flour, and this is the flour that I'm using, the Swan's Down cake flour. 3 cups of sift flour, 3 cups of sugar, and this is the sugar that I'll be using, 6 eggs, 3 sticks of pure butter, and since I'm using unsalted butter, I have mixed a half teaspoon of salt there. And this is the whipping cream. I'm going to use half pint of whipping cream. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of butter extract. And I will preheat my oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and this is the sifter that I use to sift my flour. I'm going to bake my cake in this bundt pan, and I'll be using Baker's Joy spray in my pan, and it's flour as well. Okay, I've already sifted the flour, and I will combine my sugar, butter, and I'll cream that in a large bowl. Then I will add my eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. I will add in flour and whipping cream alternately. And I'll stir in my vanilla and my butter extract. And I will pour this into my pan. I will be baking it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately an hour and 15 minutes or a little longer. It depends on when I do the test with the skewer, if it comes out dry, then it will be ready to be taken out. And this is the mixer over here that I will be using to mix my ingredients. I will pause right here and be right back. This is the batter pan that I'm using to bake the cake in, and I've used this Baker's Joy to spray the pan with. I have a cake tester here, that I will use to test the cake once it is out of the oven. Trying to get it in the camera. Okay, cake tester to test the cake to be sure it's done. And this is the batter that I'm going to put in the pan, and I'll come right back. Okay, the cake is ready for the oven. This is my whipping cream pound cake. When I take it out of the pan and turn it, I will let you see, and when I slice a piece and put it on the plate, I will come back and let you see and tell you what it tastes like. Look at this, y'all. It's been cooling for about 25 minutes or so. Look at this, your whipping cream pound cake. I don't think I'm going to glaze this one. I'm just going to keep it like this. I will slice a piece and plate it and let you see. Look at this whipping cream pound cake. And I'll put me a slice here and with a scoop of ice cream. So let me just take a bite and let you see it. It is so moist. Look at that. Let me take a bite. It is so good. So moist. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share, like, and tap that notification bell so that you can be reminded of upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all of my subscribers. Thanks to my followers. And this is Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. I will see you soon. Goodbye.